One of these nights he's going to suck, dang it. There's too much drama. Go randomize 5 times. Oops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Screen is back to half working. So much easier when I have 2 monitors. One is tough. Here we go. Leaf cut signatures number 1.
It is Tom Brady. I want to thank all the veterans and all the troops serving us right now overseas. Get home soon.
Thank you, rock stars, for the hustle.
Good luck.
Save our customers precious minutes every day. To chase their dreams, just like you were chasing yours. Thank you, rock stars.
And it is a Dick Williams. Says it's numbered at 28 of 45. That is going to Bo. B-O-R. Like that it's slab like that. Nice Beckett slab too. Don't know what it's from. Envelope or something it looks like. Nice hit, Bo. There we go. 1 card. That'll do it for number 1. They are kind of nice looking cards. Like to see something big come out of it.